Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and staying safe at home. In today's video, we will revise lesson number 3 animal word. Yes, animal word. So that means we are going to learn some animals, their habitats, how do they live, what they eat. So different kinds of animals live in different types of places. Yes, this is true. Some are living on trees, some are living in holes in the soil. Some lives under the shade of trees, some make nest, some live in dens. So a squirrel lives in trees. Squirrel is a small animal which lives in trees. A rabbit lives in burrow. Yes, rabbits make burrows by digging holes into the soil. A giraffe lives in the shade of trees. Giraffe is a very big animal. Duck lives both on land as well as in water. A lion lives in a den. It is a strong animal. A bird flies in the sky and it also makes a nest on trees. Some animals live with us and we make homes for them, like our pet animals, dog, cat, parrot. So first is kennel for the dog. So that means house of the dog is kennel. We make coop for the hen. Yes, this is a coop in which wire netted is walls are here. So hens live here. Stable for the horse. Horse lives in stable. And in the same way, we can see many other homes for different animals. Sizes of animals. Yes, there are of different size of animals. Some are very big, some are big, some are small, some are very small. So like elephant and giraffes, they are very big animals. But lion, tiger, zebras, they are big animals. But animals are very strong. We should not go too near to them. Next is some are small like deer and monkey. Have you seen monkey? Yes. Rat, rabbit, squirrels, they are also small animals. Small animals are, some animals are very small like housefly. In lesson number 2, we learned that houseflies, mosquitoes, and ants are uninvited animals because they spread diseases and they are very small. They enter in our homes without our will. Look at the pictures given below. An elephant, a big animal, lion, giraffe, housefly, an ant, a squirrel, a deer, a crocodile, a rabbit, a cow, a monkey, and a zebra. So now write the names of animals in order of their size. The smallest one will come first. So what we have to do? We have to arrange these animals' name in ascending order. The first one is the smallest one and the last one is the biggest one. So first the small is, so we can choose it. An ant is a small animal. Second is a housefly, a squirrel, a rabbit, a monkey, a deer, a zebra, a lion, a cow, a crocodile, a giraffe, and an elephant. Elephants and giraffes are very big animals. Some animals are very small like mosquitoes and ants. So have you seen that there is a very small animal like ant and a big animal like elephant? Yes. Next is movement in animals. Why do we move? We move from one place to another to play, or we move from home to school to study. Papa goes to office or shop. That means for work. So why do animals move? They don't study. They don't work. Animals move from one place to another to look for food and shelter because we have the kitchen in our homes, but animals don't have any kitchen, so they have to search for food and water. So they have to move. They look for shelter. We have our home, but are they have? No. They have to search their shelter and to protect themselves from enemies. Suppose a deer is standing and eating grass in the grassland and lion comes. So what will a deer do? He will stand. It will stand and wait for the lion. Come and eat me. No. It has to run to protect him itself from enemies यानी कि lion. Movement on land. Animals like cheetah, horse, zebra, they are good runners because they run very fast. They use their strong legs to run fast. Yes, their muscles are very strong and their legs are very strong, so they are very good runners. Animals like cows, buffaloes, and elephants walk on land with their four legs. Animals like apes and bears can walk with two hind limbs. Cows, buffaloes, and elephants walk on land with their four legs. Animals have four legs, so all these animals walk on these, but apes and bears can walk with their two hind limbs. Hind limbs means back legs. We have also limbs. Our arms and our legs are called limbs. Our arms are called forelimbs and our legs are called hind limbs. So apes and bears are also using their legs to walk. Kangaroos, grasshoppers, rabbits, they are hopping animals. Hopping means jumping. They jump. Reptiles are those animals which crawl on the land. Crawling करके चलते हैं. So lizard, tortoise, turtle, crocodiles, they have legs but they crawl on the ground. They have legs but they are crawling animals. Snake and earthworms have no legs but they also crawl. So these are called crawling animals. Lizards, tortoise, turtles, crocodiles, snakes and earthworms, ants, beetle, lice and bugs. All these insects have 6 legs to walk or to crawl. So here are the pictures of a crocodile. See how dangerous. Snake. Oh. An ant. A louse. It lives in our hair. A bug. It can bite us. Now birds. What do birds do to move? They use their wings to fly. They have strong wings to fly. They have streamlined body and they move in air from one place to another with the help of strong muscles. Some insects also can fly like butterfly. It has beautiful wings to fly. Houseflies also can fly. They have wings to fly, one pair of wings, but a butterfly has two. Even bats have wings to fly. Bats are the nocturnal animals which move only in the night. So here you can see a bird is standing on two legs. Now it is moving by with their wings. So it is flying. A bird uses its wings to fly. It's time for MCQs. Which is a hopping animal? Cheetah, horse, kangaroo. Answer will be kangaroo because cheetah and horse are good runners. Which one has no legs? Crocodile. It has. Tortoise. It has. But snake don't have legs. Do you know all birds do not fly? Some birds like the kiwis, ostrich and penguins, they have weak wings and cannot fly. Penguins have wings that are used for swimming. Some birds are flightless birds. They can't fly. So they use their legs to walk or to run. Like ostrich is also a good runner. Kiwi, ostrich, penguin, emus, these are flightless birds. And penguin is a good swimmer because it uses its wing to swim. Fishes have neither legs nor wings, but they swim with their help of fins. Like you have seen in the pictures also, like fishes have fins and these fins help them to swim and their tail help them to change the direction. Frogs and ducks swim by pushing the water with their webbed feet. Webbed feet means they have skin in between the two fingers in their toes. So they have skin. Like we don't have any skin in between of our fingers, but they have. So they have webbed feet. Turtle swims with the help of flippers. So different animals have different types of organs to move. Like turtle has flippers, duck has webbed feet, fish has fins. Now let us complete the following table. How animals move. On land, they can run. So name two animals that run. Cheetah, horse. Animal that hop means jump. So kangaroo, rabbit, grasshopper. Animals that crawl. Snake, ant. In water, animals that swims with fins. It is a fish. Animal that swims with webbed feet. It can be a duck or it can be a frog. Animal that swims with flippers. It is a turtle. Animals that fly. butterfly and bats. Animals that have wings but can't fly. Kiwi, ostrich, emu, penguin. Now it's time for book part. A rabbit lives in a den? No. Lion lives in a den. A burrow? Yes. We make coops for dogs? No. Dogs live in kennel. Cows? No. Hens? Yes. We make a stable for horses. Yes. The house of horses is called stable. An elephant is a very big animal. Although we can write it here giraffe, but the first letter is an. So we have to fill the vowel. Elephant. Fish swim in water with their fins. And frogs use their webbed feet. Penguins use their wings for swimming. And turtles use their flippers. Circle the odd ones. Give the reason for your answer. Zebra, giraffe, water, lion. So answer will be lion, water, because rest all three are animals. Horse, zebra, coop, cheetah. Answer will be coop. Coop is the home of hen. But horse, zebra and cheetah all are the animals. Lizard, shed, tortoise, crocodile. Lizard, tortoise and crocodile are the animals. They are crawling animals. But shed is a place where cow lives. Write the names of the following pictures in the space provided. Duck, grasshopper, louse, penguin. Join the dot and write the name of the animals and also color them. You have to do it by your own. You have to join the dot and color it also. First is a fish. Second picture is of an elephant and third is a bird. An animal that hops. Hops means jumps. So kangaroo is the right answer. And the bird which cannot fly. Sparrow can fly. Parrot also can. But penguin cannot fly. So by this we have completed the reading and book part. Keep reading. Stay safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.